Hey there guys, myself Vivek. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to draw portrait of Deadpool and Wolverine. I have first colored the face of Wolverine using light brown, brown, orange and light orange and blended all over the area using glass marking pencil. Then I'm coloring the hairs according to the reference. Now I am coloring his suit using a yellow brush pen. After that I have started coloring Deadpool with red brush pen. Like the video if it helped you and subscribe the channel for this kind of tutorials. See you all in next video and thanks for watching.